Learn about Lunar New Year Customs. Dialogue A. Lily is introducing some Lunar New Year customs to Alex, a friend of hers from the U.S.
Hey Alex, the Lunar New Year is just around the corner. Have you heard of this holiday?
Yeah, but I'm not very familiar with it. What's it all about?
It's a time for family reunions and a celebration of good fortune and happiness.
I see. How do you guys celebrate it?
We often start by cleaning our homes to remove bad luck and make room for good luck.
Interesting. What else do you do?
Many people decorate their homes with spring couplets.
What are spring couplets?
They're strips of red paper with verses written on them to ward off evil and bring good luck. We put them around the doorway of our home.
Oh, I've seen those before. Doesn't food play a big part in the holiday?
Of course, families get together for a big feast on New Year's Eve.
Do you exchange presents like we do on Christmas?
Not exactly. Adults usually give children red envelopes with money inside.
That sounds wonderful. I can't wait to experience it for myself.
You're going to love it.